Hey guys, I'm Aakriti and welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'm going to be showing you a DIY face mask to instantly brighten up your skin. This mask is totally natural and safe to skin and is suitable for all skin types. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
For making the mask you will need a banana. Make sure the banana is ripe and some honey. For start making the mask you will need a bowl. Add a small portion of banana to it and mash it using a spoon. And once your banana is mashed, add little amount of honey to it and mix it well.
So guys, our mask is ready to be applied. We have just added a small portion of banana and mashed it and then added honey. Now we will start applying the mask onto our face. I am applying the mask using a brush. You can also apply it using your fingers. Now I will have to wait for about 20 to 30 minutes to let the mask sit and rest onto the skin to show its effect. So guys, 20 minutes are done and you can see the mask has literally soaked into the skin.
I just washed my face with water and dried with a towel.
Not sure guys if you're able to see the glow it has put up to my face on the camera, but trust me, it has instantly brightened up my skin and my skin feels so great and soft also. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to press that bell notification to never miss an update from me. And one more thing guys, I'll be putting up much more interesting content on my channel, so stay tuned for that and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, see you, bye bye.